Okay guys, so here you can see we have it installed. I gotta try and do this without showing some personal address labels, but yeah, you guys can see how it brightens things up. It actually works really well. Like, I like it a lot. Easy to use. I'm very impressed with these. And it definitely lights up a large area as well, so that's a big plus. Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the 4 feet linkable shop lights. So let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you're getting. Now these are great for shops, garages, basements, stores, and so much more. And they're extremely lightweight, which is really nice. So this would be the cable length of one. It's pretty far. If you have to, go further, you can always get an extension cable. But this is what it looks like. So as you can see, this is what these look like. And they have it on and off right here by pulling. So here's the back bracket for mounting. Again, they are extremely lightweight. Now, how are they extendable? Well, you see on the side here, they have a plug. So you can actually plug in your other lights directly into here, and you can run off of an outlet, so the current will travel through the light. So travel through the light into this plug, into your next one, which makes it really nice. So you can have, line them straight up in a row if you want. Now you may be asking yourself, okay, that's all great, but how does it look turned on? Well, let me show you. So this is what it looks like once turned on. And as you can see, they're very bright. They light up a lot of room, but yet they don't hurt your eyes. So that's what I really love about these. Some of the bar lights can really hurt your eyes if you're looking in their direction, but even pointed straight out, they don't hurt your eyes. Very nice, my friends. Very nice. Now we're going to be setting them up and installing them, and these definitely get a Scott score from the first use experience. I think that they are amazing. I have some other ones that my buddy installed, and he loves them. That's why, I can already say they're amazing, and I can't wait to get installing these. Okay guys, so here you can see we have it installed. I gotta try and do this without showing some personal address labels, but yeah, you guys can see how it brightens things up. It actually works really well. Like, I like it a lot. Easy to use. I'm very impressed with these. And it definitely lights up a large area as well, so that's a big plus.